Ohio has had 9 cases of measles already this year, with a possible exposure happening last week at the John Glenn International Airport in Columbus. I spoke to Public Health Dayton, Montgomery County about what we here in the Miami Valley need to be looking out for. A potential measles exposure occurred February 18th between 6 and 9 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport. But what does this mean for the Miami Valley?
There have not been any cases here yet this year, but due to the nature of the way it spreads and the amount of travel that people do, there's a great likelihood that people could come in contact with measles if they're in a situation where someone has measles and they pass through.
But the good news is, according to Dan Suffoletto from Public Health Dayton, Montgomery County, you have 97% protection if you received both doses of the MMR vaccine.
There's been a lot of noise on social media that can cause confusion amongst parents, and that's why it's very important for people to speak directly with their healthcare provider. They can provide you with the most accurate, up-to-date information. You don't want to get your medical advice from just random people who are posting things on social media that may or may not be true.
Symptoms include cough, runny nose, high fever, watery eyes, and a rash. Those most at risk are young children who aren't yet vaccinated or haven't received both doses, as well as folks with autoimmune diseases or pregnant women.
Measles is very, very contagious. So when you're talking about a situation like at the airport where measles may be in the air for up to 2 hours after a person with measles has passed through. If you have been exposed and do have symptoms, you want to call your healthcare provider and let them know that so they can take proper precautions before you come to their office and see them.
We will continue to follow this story and bring you the latest updates on air and online. Just scan the QR code on your screen to visit our homepage.